Nick, you shouldn't touch that, honey. That's his IV. Let's see, Nathan. Let's see, Nathan. Let's see your arm. No, no, you're taking his IV away. Yeah, leave it there. Let's see. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. What? Did they give you what they give you, honey? Here, cover it back up. Nicholas, are you putting tape everywhere? Let me see. What did you do? Let me see. What are you doing?